Creating a sidetrack in Hawkeye is a relatively easy process. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you're in the current work curve that you want to make the sidetrack from. In a drilling scenario, that means you're in the W work mode following a W work curve. If you have multiple work curves and you're not following the one that you need to be following, you need to right click on the one that you want to be branching from and selecting Set as Current Work Curve. This will shift your focus to this work curve, and then you can continue forward with the sidetrack process. In this drilling scenario, let's say that we want to sidetrack from this measured depth. The next step would be to go to the curve menu, and you can access the curve menu by right-clicking on the curve here, right-clicking on the curve in the 3D space, or left-clicking on this curve menu button down here. They'll all get you to the same place, and what you need to get to is Add Sidetrack Curve. This will open up a dialog in which you have to name the sidetrack curve and then select what kind of curve you'd like to make. In this example, I'm going to select a work curve only. All I have to do is click Create. What the program does when you create a sidetrack, it creates a copy of the parent curve from surface all the way down to your tie-in point. However, we are not following the sidetrack curve right now. If you look over at the data tree, you'll see that as drilled is still in bold, and that is still my current work curve. If I now want to follow the sidetrack curve, I need to right click on it and select Set as Current Work Curve. And notice the sidetrack will track exactly as the parent curve all the way down to that tie-in, and then it'll stop. And then from here, I can run any sort of projection or begin adding surveys to this sidetrack curve.